Where the beautiful people at? I said, where the beautiful people at? Beautiful people, clap your hands. Yeah. Freaky people, clap your hands. Geeky people, clap your hands. Everybody, clap your hands.
Hollywood is fragrant. Jealousy is gunfire. It makes you kill the vibe.
She's a wonderful thing.
Jealousy and dark time. Sinking on the wheel. There's more to love than that. Jealousy is far down. Jealousy is far down.
Yeah. I'ma go walking all the way to the hills. But you never know what's real. So you have to be prepared. You have to be ready. You have to be ready. Cause she can be a bitch. And it's a wonderful thing. Hollywood. She's so seductive. She's got me looking for that dream. I bow down. She knows how to do it exactly the way I like it.
Hollywood is alright. Hollywood is fragrant. Jealousy is gunfire. It makes you kill the vibe.
She's a wonderful thing.
Jealousy and dark time.
Yeah, she can be dark.
Sinking on the web. There's more to love than that.
But I love her.
Jealousy is far down. Jealousy is far down.
Man, I came through with a big fat chain on my neck. Little did they know, no sweat, so I dimmed out, rimmed out, and cracked the glass. 25 pounds, can you match that bag? Cause if not, raise up, I got a deal to make. And a couple bad bitches I've been aching to break, waking to bake. I put the cake on the plate, jealousy and me, oh we making it dead. I'ma vibe with this, Hollywood nigga, I'ma survive this shit. I do that, did that, throw your fucking wig back. Gorilla, gorilla, who loves going there? They wanna eye me down, tie me down, knock me off, but I'm a lion in the dog pound. Now how that sound?
Hollywood is alright.